Good morning, everyone. So the next lesson we're looking at is fractions, simple equivalent fractions. It's quite a fun lesson because you've just got lots of games and lots of practice, okay? So using all fractions up to tens, recognizing and finding fractions of shapes, numbers, and sets of objects, recognizing and finding equivalent fractions, converting fractions to decimals, and vice versa. So we've got monkey goes bananas, finding fractions, fraction shape games, shading fractions, fraction choice game, mixing it up, loop card, pair games, beat the clock. Okay, so let's start off. Monkey goes bananas. Click to shade the correct fraction of the bananas in the bubble. So 3/5. So I need to select 3 out of 5. So for every 5, I'm going to color 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's that way of doing it. Click to shade 3/5. Okay, now let's count how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Times it by 1, 5. So I'm going to do 5. Now, remember, divide it by the bottom, times it by the top. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So I'm going to leave the rest. Next one, finding fractions. Find each amount. Click the fish if you want to count them. Find the fraction, click the fish if you want to count them. Okay, so we've got 15. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 20 divided by 5. So I'm dividing by the denominator, multiplying by the numerator. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 4, 16. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 10 divided by 10, 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to leave it at that with that game. A fraction shapes game. Select the picture which shows the fraction. You've got 3 lives. Can you answer 10 questions correctly? So select the shape that shows 1/6. So 1 out of 6. Because I know only 1 is coloured in. 3/8. 3/5. Now, this gets a bit tricky because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10. 6 out of 10. So 6/10 is the same as 3/5. So you're going to look for the equivalent fraction as well. 3/4. I'm going to leave it at that now. Next one, click to shade these shapes. So you've got to colour it in, okay? So 2/3, how many pieces we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So I now need to colour in 8. If I can click them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 3/4. Because it's 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. There's 3 out of 4, 3 out of 4. 1/6, 3/8, 3/5. So there's 5 there. So 1, 2, 3 there. 1, 2, 3 there. It clicks. There we go. Next one, fraction choice game. Choose the correct answer. What fraction is shaded? So 2 out of 4 is shaded, so it's not there. 2/4 is not there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shaded, 7 out of 10. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded, so none of them. But then again, look, we've got it's 6 out of 8, the same as 3/4. So you have to look at the equivalent as well. So you've got 8 pieces there, 2 8s are shaded, is the same as 1/4. So you will look at the equivalent fractions in this one, okay? So I'm going to leave that there. Next game, we've got shade half of the shape yellow. So yellow, half of the shape needs to be yellow. Now shade a third of the shape purple. So 1/3. So there's how many pieces altogether? 6. What fraction of the shape is unshaded? So 1 out of 6. Okay. Loop card game, we know how to play this from the other videos. Find and click the correct answer. Find the equivalent of 1/8. Because you times it by 2. 7/8. Now this might be a bit tricky. So 7/8. So it can either be the denominator or the numerator that you're looking at. 7/8 is the same as 14/16. You times it by 2. Find the equivalent of 1/4. 2/8. I'm going to leave it at that. So you're looking for it and you're clicking it. So you're timesing or you're dividing to figure out your answer. Match tiles with the same value. Click on each tile to select it. So 0.5 is the same as a half. 0.1 is the same as 1/10. 0.4 is the same as 4/10. Or the same as 2/5, okay, because they're equivalent fractions. 3/10 is the same as 0.3. 0.6 is the same as 3/5. 0.75 is the same as 3/4. 0.8 is the same as 4/5. 1/5 is the same as 0.2. Now you've got beat the clock, as you know how to play this game. 2/5 are 40, so 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Decimal equivalent to 1/10 is 0.1. So you're dividing here, so how many 2's go into 8? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, so 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Decimal equivalent to 1/4 is 0.25. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. I'm going to leave it there. All the best with the fractions. Remember, it's all to do with your times tables. Take care, guys, and good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on your blog or email the teachers, and one of us will help you out. Take care.